Soak split green gram lentil 1 cup 8 hours. Soak split green gram lentil urad dal 1 cup for 8 hours. This is 1 cup. Soak the lentil urad dal called green gram lentil 8 hours. Soak in the water. Green gram lentil. Soak 1 cup for 8 hours in the water. After 8 hours, it will double in size. Throw out this water and wash the lentil 2 to 3 times with the fresh water. Wash the lentil with the fresh water. You can use any lentil of your choice. Now I wash the lentil with the water. It's nice. Now we will blend with the 3 to 4 tablespoon water. Blend this lentil in the blender with the 3 to 4 tablespoon water. Fresh water. Blend all the lentil with using 3 or 4 tablespoon water. You adding all the lentil in the blender. Adding 3 to 4 tablespoon water to blend the lentil. Add 3 to 4 tablespoon water to blend the lentil. Add little by little water. See, it should be like this thick consistency. Don't add too much water. Don't make it runny. It should be of middle consistency, neither too thin nor too thick. See, it's a little bit thick. We need this consistency. I am taking out from the blending jug. It's thick, not see, I'm showing you how much thick this is. See, it's as thick like a thick batter. It should be like this. Only add 3 or 4 tablespoon water. Don't add too much water. Add 2 tablespoon chopped onion. Add 1 green chili chopped. Add 2 tablespoon green coriander, fresh green coriander, 2 tablespoon onion, 2 tablespoon green coriander, 1 green chili. Mix all the ingredients together. Salt to taste, half teaspoon red pepper, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder. Add all the plate spices in the lentil mixture. Now mix all ingredients together. Now add 2 tablespoon rice flour. Little by little, rice flour will make the donuts very crispy. Add 2 tablespoon rice flour. Make donuts very crispy. Everything is ready. Now let's make the donuts. Combine everything together. Add 1 teaspoon pomegranate powder or mango powder. If you don't have pomegranate powder, add more mango powder. Combine everything together. Pomegranate powder give good taste. Dip your hands in the water. Then make a donut with your hand and dip the finger in the water again. Then make a hole. Water prevent the lentil batter from sticking. So drop this donut in the oil. Drop this donut in the oil. Now take a steel bowl, apply some water and make a donut on the steel bowl. So water prevent from sticking the donut on the bowl. Every time use the water for prevention of stickiness. Dip the finger in the water, then make a hole. Now keep this aside. Now make the second donut. Apply the water on the back of the bowl. Take a lentil batter in your hand and make a donut shape and make a hole with the finger by dipping the finger in the water. Make a hole in the donut shape. Dipping the finger in the water, make a hole. Now oil is hot. Let's fry these. Drop these donuts in the hot oil. Oil is hot. Overturn the bowl and drop this in the oil like this way. Little bit shake the bowl so that it will drop down into oil automatically. See it drop down into the oil. Now you are dropping the second one. Shake the bowl up and down little bit and drop this donut in the oil. Drop this donut in the oil. Shake the bowl up and down little bit. Drop the donut in the oil. Fry golden brown donuts on the medium flame. When they are fried from the one side, drop the donut in the oil. Shake up and down and let the donut drop down in the oil. Then remove the bowl. See it drop down in the oil. Remove the bowl and fry golden brown. Otherwise you can cook in another way. I will show you another way like this. Keep the fry golden brown. Apply water on the back side of the bowl. Now take a lentil batter and make a donut with your fingers. Apply water every time whenever it is stick to your hand or bowl. Apply water, then it will not stick anymore. Now dip the finger in the water. Dip the finger in the water and make a hole. So this donut is also ready. Let's fry this in the oil or keep the oil. Overturn the bowl in the oil and keep this in the oil for 1 to 2 minutes. Then when it's cooked, it will start leaving the bowl automatically. If it doesn't leave the bowl automatically, then remove this with the knife or with the any spoon. See, it's cooking from the downside. I left the bowl in the oil. Let it cook. Then we will remove this with the knife or with the any spoon. So remove this with any flat spoon. See, it's cooking from the downside. Fry golden brown. Let it cook on the medium flame. See, it's cooking golden brown. I am showing you again. They all are cooking dark golden brown. Fry dark golden brown. Let the cook all the donut dark golden brown. See, it's cooking from the downside. It's cooking dark golden brown. Bowl is hot, so I'm using cloth. And now I remove this one from the bowl and frying dark golden brown. Make Take out fried donuts in the plate. Take out fried dark golden brown donuts in the plate. So I shown you the two ways of making the donuts or three ways of making donuts. Either make it with the hand or make it with the bowl and we shake it, drop this into the oil or drop the bowl, keep the bowl in the oil, apply water on the back side of the bowl, then make a donut and then dip the finger in the water and make a hole. Dip the finger in the water and make the hole. Now overturn this in the oil. Now see, remove this way with the any flat spoon after cooking. I show you the way after cooking. Remove this with the spoon or with the knife. Let it cook on the medium flame. Fry golden brown. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Your views matters a lot. Press bell icon button. Thank you.